Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. All objects of the site should be harmoniously connected. A variety of small architectural forms help to combine all household and residential buildings with vegetation into a single system. With their help, it is possible to smooth out the shortcomings of landscape design, make the territory unique and comfortable. What are small architectural forms? This is the name of the design for decorating the territory of a garden plot or cottage. In addition to the decorative function, they also have practical significance. Such objects help to conveniently organize the planting of plants on plots of different sizes to equip a relaxation zone. There are not fundamental structures. Many types can be made with your own hands, from wood, metal, or using old objects for this. Small architectural forms are used for several purposes: decorative, decoration of the territory, open-work gazebos, alpine slides, statues, light bridges, sculptures, fountains. Functional, have a practical purpose: flower pots, flower beds, pergolas, vertical flower beds, and other structures for plants, stairs, garden furniture, swimming pools, gazebos, fences of various types. Entertainment, architectural forms of sports, gaming purposes, for example sandboxes, slides, swings, horizontal bars, and others. Many types of small architectural forms are universal. They simultaneously transform the site and have practical value. These include gazebos, lanterns, swimming pools, garden benches, and flower pots. Decorative elements of landscape design differ in purpose, appearance, and material from which they are made, but all of them create the integrity of the perception of the surrounding house and cottage space. Benches. This element is present in almost all garden plots. Forged wooden metal benches of different sizes and shapes are convenient not only for recreation. They are part of landscape design and often its key element. A common option is the location of benches where the garden paths converge. They're also placed at the entrance to the house or on the plot, in gazebos near the bathhouse and in other places. Sculptures. The easiest way to decorate the territory is to put garden figures. They are interesting because they're quickly and simple made with their own hands with a variety of materials. For example, old tires, pieces of wood, plastic containers can be used as a basis for creating original street sculptures. There are also many ready-made options made of plastic, concrete, stone, ceramics, metal, gypsum, marble. They differ in size and appearance. You can make unusual compositions out of them. To make the rest of children in the country more eventful and interesting, make a garden swing for them. If you do not know how to do this, we will show you some original and simple ways. When building a swing, you need to remember that not only the comfort of the child is important, but first of all their safety. Therefore, give preference to durable materials. For example, if you're using wood, make sure that it is firm and not dried out, and the ropes are strong and reliable. Pallet swing. If after buying building materials, wooden pallets remain on your site, do not rush to send them to kindle the stove. These pallets can be used as a base for garden swings. Children's swing from a snowboard or skateboard. A board from a broken skateboard or snowboard can also serve as a material for a seat. The main thing is to securely attach it to the ropes and supports. If there are wheels left on the skateboard, it will not be difficult at all to transform the board into a swing. Make 2 loops from the ropes and thread the board into them so that the wheels prevent the rope from slipping. Swing from an old chair. If you do not have time to build a classic children's swing from wooden boards or beams, use a massive chair without legs as a seat. But be sure to make sure that this item is strong enough. Tie swing. This version of the swing has long been traditional. They are also attached to support bars or a thick tree. Thoroughly wash and dry the old tire, lay it horizontally, cut 3 or 4 holes, insert metal hooks into them, and secure them with washers and nuts. Thread strong ropes or chains through the hook loops. The swing is ready. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel.